Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create contact in Google Contacts when person is created in Encharge. So the idea here is that whenever a new person is created into the Encharge account, automatically the same person should be created as a new contact in Google Contacts. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between Encharge and Google Contacts. So first let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is my Encharge account and this is the Google Contacts. So now I want that whenever I create a new person over here in my Encharge account, automatically the same person should be added as a contact here in my Google Contacts. So let us add the new person by clicking on this plus sign, add person, and I'll give the email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, full name as Adam Smith. Okay, and let's give the company as Pabbly. I'll give the title as manager over here. Okay, I'll scroll down and I'll add the mobile number over here. I'm leaving this address, country and city, all other details. If you want to add, you can add it over here. And let's click on save. And here we can see Adam Smith is added as a new person in the Encharge account. So now let us check the Google Contacts. I'll refresh it. And here we can see a new contact named Adam Smith is created over here. I'll open it. And here we can find Adam Smith, manager, Pabbly, along with that email address and the mobile number is mentioned. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new person in my Encharge account, that is Adam Smith, and automatically the same person is created as a contact in my Google Contacts. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Encharge and Google Contacts, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Encharge with Google Contacts automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use it very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Encharge and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect will capture all the details of the person that we have created into the Encharge account, and using those details, automatically a new contact will be created in Google Contacts. And in this way, we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Encharge and Google Contacts using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. So in order to create a workflow, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Encharge and Google Contacts integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new person is created in Encharge, automatically the same person should be created as a contact in Google Contacts. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Encharge. In the trigger event, we have to select new person, click on connect, click on add new connection and connect with Encharge. Allow Pabbly Connect to access your Encharge account. Okay, so let's click on allow. Authorization successful, and now Encharge is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to click on save and send test request. Here we can see that it is waiting for the response. For that we have to go to the Encharge account and we have to create a new person. So let's go to the Encharge account. I am already logged into my Encharge account. Okay, this is the dashboard. Here I'll come to the people option. And by clicking on this plus sign, let us create a new person over here. Click on add person. Here I'll give the email address as shikha.arya22@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya. Okay. And let us scroll down. Let us give the company name as Pabbly. And I'll scroll down again. Here I can give the title as manager. Okay, and if you want to give other details, you can add it over here. I'll just add the phone number. Okay, and I'm leaving all the other fields as blank. I am just picking up the basic fields, and let's click on save. And here we can see that a person is updated over here. Okay, it was created manually. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the responses received and the details that we have filled in the Encharge account are automatically captured over here. Just because Pabbly Connect was connected with the Encharge account. Now here we can see the email address, first name, last name, full name, along with that company, title, phone number, and all other details related to this particular person. Now we want that using these details, automatically a new Google contact should be created. So let us come to this action window. Here in the application name, let us select Google Contacts. In the action event, let us select Create Contact. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Contacts. Now it is asking to choose an account, so I'll just choose the account where I want to create the contacts. Pabbly Connect Contacts wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on Continue and give away the access. Authorization successful. And now the Google contacts are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to map the details that we have already received from the Encharge account. So we are going to map these details now. So I'll scroll down. Here let us map the first name from Encharge, and the first name was Shikha. Let us map the last name as Arya. Gender, it is female. Okay, and let us map the email work. Okay, and email home, other details we don't have. We have the company name. Let us map the company name. That was Pabbly. And along with that, we have the job title. That is manager. Let us map manager. Okay, if you want to map other details, so you can fill it in the Encharge account and you can map it over here. Let us map the phone number also. Okay, and this was the phone number. Okay, and now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our Google contacts. And here we can see a new contact named Shikha Arya is created over here. I'll open it. Here we can find the company name, along with that the designation, email address and the phone number. So all the details are automatically captured over here. And in this way we can see that our integration is working. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we will go to the Encharge account. Okay, and let's create a new person over here. Again, we have to go to the people option. I'll click on this plus sign, add person. And this time, let us give the email address as kuldeepg11@gmail.com. Let's give the first name as Kuldeep. Okay, I'll scroll down. Last name as Gupta. last name as Gupta, full name as Kuldeep Gupta. Okay, I'll scroll down and here let us give the company name as Pabbly once again, and I'll give the title as team lead. Okay, and let us give the phone number over here. Okay, if you want to add the address, country, city, you can add it over here along with the postal code, group ID and all other details. Okay, I am just using the basic details and let us click on save. And here we can see Kuldeep Gupta, a new person is updated over here. Okay, now let us check the Google contacts. Okay, let us go to the contacts. I'll refresh it. And here we can see Kuldeep Gupta is added as a new contact over here in our Google contacts. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay. So I'll minimize this one also. In this use case, we want that whenever a new person is added into the Encharge account, automatically the same person should be added as a new contact in the Google contacts. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Encharge and Google contacts using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.